Beautiful people of the channel, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, we got an A plus. What should we do? We go long right now. It's a fast start. Let's get it, boys and girls. So we have a beautiful target. Stop is safe. I'm planning to put my stop loss below this point. I think the ATR is very high today. Let me see. It's a 13 again. So we'll see. Copy trading across all accounts. Gonna be an exciting day. Wanna grab a few bucks. So the targets are nice. Okay. Daddy wants money. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. A plus buy signal in the house. Laser focused on the chart. 18 ticks right now. It's glad to see you all here, guys. Let me see who is in the house. Let me see who is in the house. Okay, house speed. Good morning, my friend. How much more time? We just started. Sean. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning. Pakistan join Holaha. I don't know what you say, but welcome to live session. All we do here is to make money live. No hindsight. If we take a loss, it's a loss. If we make money, we happy. So this is how we do it, baby. We have 4 minutes till the market opens. And what I see basically at the market is that we do have a targets on both sides, right? We are now trading at the psychological level, which is 25,000. I expect the price show some resistance around this level. It's very important. So we need to be careful. We have a midnight opening price here. Market already took out the London low. What we have is the Asia low on the downside. So if the price want to come down, we are ready for that. I don't care if I lose the first trade. I don't mind. I am laser focused on what the price gonna do. Okay, so let's take this a little bit lower. We got a beautiful A plus. The reason I took is we are trading above the 830. We already took out the London low and we have a couple of bullish order block. So it looks a nice bullish to me. Also, we have an A plus on the ES. So what else you can want more? If you make money, you just walk away. Okay. Aka, good morning. Joshua, good morning. It's good to see you guys. Okay, so we're basically waiting now. 0.5 off today. We're trading above it. So let's see. Gonna be fun. Where are you from, Borsa? I'm originally from Turkey. MSG Tunes. What's up? It's been a while. I didn't see you. Good morning, Kanupa. Okay. 0.5 showing a support. Trying to hold the price. I don't have any interest to increase my size, but it looks really nice. So I'm trying something different today, which is I'm executing 2 micros here, but on my challenge accounts, which I get new from the Apex, I multiply by 3, so it's a 6 contracts. Okay, trying something different, experimenting. I use trade sinkers, that kind of stuff. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. I thought you said no live today. Yes, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. It's a pop-up live session. I had the time, so I said, let's do it. Let's make money together. I like the markets. We have a 2 minutes. Price chops. Sky's clear. I want to see we take out the cool highs here, and we might just trade into this CB and pull back, but you never know, right? For me, it's looking like a bullish. My stop loss is this area. Yeah, overall, I like the setup. It's a good day because you show up for us today, Mr. Borsa. Oh, thank you very much, Joshua. Very kind of you. It's always pleasure to trade live with you guys. Okay. The position is looking good. So you know what's the most important thing right now? I'm relaxed. Okay. We have a 1 minute till the ring bells, but I'm relaxed. Why? Because my stop is safe. I feel safe. I don't mind if I get stopped out or not. Okay, we have 0.5 of the day. Let's mark it out. What's going on the chart? 0.5 of the day. We have a bullish fair value gap here. We have the new day opening gap. We are trading above 830. We have a couple of bullish order blocks, so it looks nice. It looks nice. So I'm targeting 100 points. Let's see if it works out. Tomorrow we have a CPI, ladies and gentlemen, and as most of you guys know, if you don't know, I have a specific strategy how to trade CPIs. You can find it on the channel. It's called How to Trade NIVs. Okay. All right. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Going up. First partial done. Let's go. Riding this one. Oh my lord, it's 158 ticks. It's going up, baby. 45 seconds till the candle closure. I don't want to see pullback. Come on, 100 ticks. Okay, 140 ticks, 150 ticks. 188, 200 ticks. Okay, 235 ticks. I'm about to lock in this position right now. Oh my lord, it's beautiful. 15 seconds till the candle closure. ES also pushing higher. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Okay. Inversion. Planning to hold more. 200 ticks still. Stop is safe. Alright. Alright. Creating an even imbalance. Still riding this A plus. Oh my god. A plus never fails to pay, baby. So, okay. Come on. 35 seconds. Rejection from this CB. I made a little bit over 300. Let's go, Joshua. I like it. Bro, trading the gold, then I buy your indicator. 200 ticks, running PNL. 207. Oh my god, I don't know about you guys, but it's going to moon. 300 ticks right now. One contract left. We're making dollars here, baby. Oh my god. $500 running PNL on other accounts. So I like this. Come on, finish the job. 300 ticks. Beautiful. 70 points in profit. About to close. About to close. The CB. We have this CB. Okay, come on. Retest this. Oh my lord. It's 85 points. Trade. 30 seconds till the candle closure. Got candles. I like it. 230 ticks. About to close. I don't want to give up from my profits. Okay. 18 seconds, 15 seconds. Can we wait? I think yes. Okay, nice. Nice, baby. Give me 80s. Can we get the 80s? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. New candle. New candle. I'm out to close. I'm out. Whoa, that's a beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we are up $1,200 across all accounts. W in the chat. We deserve it. We deserve it. So, this A plus didn't fail us today again. We did the show. We did the show. Beautiful day. Now market is pulling back. No need to be greedy, right? We just take the money and walk away. This is it, baby. This is it, baby. W's. I like it. I like it. Trade on gold. Yeah, gold, I don't know. I was used to trade gold back in time, but now I feel like I'm in sync with the NQ, right? It doesn't matter what you are trading as long as you make the money. Up $700 here. Okay, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. The first FVG is the bullish. Okay. ATR is going crazy right now. Oh my god. Watch the ATR is at 25. 25. Just show me. Oh, of course, I can do that. Let's see. How is the gold looking? Let it load. Yeah, I just received an A plus sell on gold. Looking good. Nice. I like this kind of reversal setups. So, yeah. Hope it helps. Guys, can we say that we just stalled at the top? We can clearly say that. Clearly say that. So if you want to get access to the Borsa 321 toolkit, there is a link in the description. Just click and get your access. We are preparing for huge update for everyone who has the toolkit, including the AI features. How many micros to be used in the MNQ 25K Apex account? Good question. I might go between like 2 to 3. Not more than that. So flux chart in case it's working on low. Yes, it's working very nice. Yes, working very nice. I have specific video about the gold on flux charts though. You can watch it. Beautiful day at the markets today. Sunshines and butterflies. How many on 50K account, Borsa? I usually use 4 or 5. Yeah, that's what I go for it also. If it's funded, I drop to 3 to 2. It really depends on the ATR, right? So if we're trading above like 25, I drop to 2 between 3. Below, I go like 5 to 7. It really depends on the ATR, like I say. um Is Flux Charge and Borsa 321 Kill different packages or same? It's a total different toolkits, okay? It's a total different toolkits. Both are great. Whichever suits your trading style, go for it. It's a show time on the market. We can't stop making money on Random Tuesday. Because why not? Beautiful. Okay. Price chops right now. 2 minutes till this macro ends. If you guys have any questions, don't be shy. Just send it to me. I will answer them. Regarding flux charts, Borsa 321 toolkit, or whatever it is, you can ask me. We got A plus on the yes. I just got the Borsa 321, but it didn't show A plus sign like yours. What should I do? Shouldn't do that. What you can do is check your ticker. It should be MNQ or NQ plus. You need to check your time zone, right? We got this daylight adjustment, so make sure it's a UTC -4, which is the New York time right now. 90% of the time, this is the issue. So make sure you check that out. All right. We sit still right now. We don't have any rush or any emergency to take the trade. Why? Because we already banged. AK, let me know if it works, okay? If not, we can fix that. Chops, chops. Yes, trading below the 930. NQ respects the 930. I suggest we wait at the moment. It's also outside of the macro. Okay. Sir, please explain the goal and BTC work information. Please live stream. We can do specific live session for trading gold and Bitcoin, perhaps later time. Why not? We can definitely do that. No Hindsight Capital is live on this Tuesday. Okay. Now it's time to a little bit patience. The next macro in 9 minutes. By the way, here's the link for the world's best ICT toolkit by far. No one ever come closer like us. What we do, what we have achieved in terms of accuracy, in terms of all the features that we have. All right. Dancing in the moon. Okay, trading below 930, about to close a candle below. If that is the case, we will target lower. Asia low looking good. Okay. This A plus is printing on yes. Like this A plus buy. It's still not showing for some reason. Okay, let's go real quick. You just go in time. You just check the breaker length. Okay, it should be 5. And check the ticker. It should be MNQ in this scenario. U2C minus 4. And make sure you're watching the real time. Okay. Heading lower. Beautiful targets on downside. 830 is looking fire right now. And we have the midnight opening price. And obviously we have the Asia low. We do have SMT, right? Okay, with this high, 932, interesting. Small SMT. Whoa, here we go again. Big pullbacks. 70 points. ATR is going wild. 33. I don't think that we have news today, right? Let me check. Yeah, we don't have news. Tomorrow we have news at 8:30, the CPI. We do have the CPI. Oh my God. With one candle, imagine it making a session low, and that candle also makes like a session high. It's crazy. Wild times. Volatility in the house, baby. Oh, oh yeah, I got it. Thank you. You are very welcome. Happy you fix it. Okay, new macro in 4 minutes. New macro in 4 minutes. No rush. So what's going on right now is with this beautiful A plus on ES, we got a couple of rejections from the 930 opening price. Then it took us to 830. It's very easy when you are trading with the right tools. Okay, these are our targets. And ES trading below 930, NQ trading above 930. So still no trade for me. But we have 4 minutes till the macro starts. Let's see. We are up $1,200 for the day. Okay, 950 macro is about to start. Gonna be interesting. We still have hundreds here. It's a target and a London high looking sharp. Bullish order block. ATR is 33. Crazy. Da, da, da. This is, I believe, the ICT's first feature of the day. Okay, nice rejection. How do you handle losing streaks? That's a great question, Joshua. Um, the first thing I do is I drop my size. And after I drop my size, I take it easy, and I also only focus on the A plus setups. If I don't see anything, I don't chase the price. I wait patiently until the price comes to me. Okay, I'm not in a rush. Today is not the last day of the world. Okay, tomorrow I can do trade. For that specific reason, I wait patiently. I sit still, I drop my size, and I take it easy. That's how I deal with the losing streaks. That's a great question because most of us get into losing streaks time to time. I remember, I think the last year it was in November or something. At 9:30, I just always be on the wrong side of the market. It's not because of me, because the price just goes one candle up, one candle down, one candle up, one candle down. So it's like doing a stop hunt, right? It's aiming me. The target, I was feeling like they're targeting my whole strategy. So that time I stopped trading exactly at the 9:30. I start trading at the 9:50 macro. So that's how I deal with it. But I don't skip days. I don't give a break. I don't care because it's just trading. It happens. Sometimes you can lose 5 trades in a row. It doesn't mean that your strategy is not working or like the market is changed, right? So what I need to do is just drop my size, fix my mindset, and just go with the flow. You're very welcome. Thanks for the question. It's an awesome question. All right. This fair value gap is creating a troubles. Is indicator print, stop loss, take profit on the chart, or some fixed pips on 1 minute? Yeah, we do have a special calculation for take profits and stop loss, but I always say in my videos and in my live sessions, if you see a bump on the way, you can think about taking partials like I do here. My final TP was 100, but I see this CB is creating a trouble. What I did, I sold off my position. And after I sold off, market did new session low. So don't always get attached what indicators gives you as like a target, right? If we invert this CB, I am thinking about to take a long. Let's see. A beautiful day. 9:51. The second macro of the day. Mm, I'm waiting for some like a speed and momentum in the price action. Laser focused on the chart, waiting for the next opportunity. Not in a rush. Only A plus, baby. We have news today. Oh, really? I didn't see any news. Can you tell me what is the news? It's on accumulation mode, seems like. I would love to see a inversion here. Home sales? Really? So strange. Why I don't see anything on the Forex factory? But thank you. Thank you very much. At 10 a.m., right? It's a back and forth. 7 minutes 13 seconds. Oh my god, where? Yeah, it's so strange. I also enabled the orange folder. Wow, very interesting. Maybe my Forex factor is just lost his mind. But thank you very much, guys. So we do have a news in more or less like 7 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. It doesn't mean that it will just go 100 points, but sometimes it does. Refresh. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me see. Still don't have it. Tuesday. Literally blank. It's literally blank. Anyways. Why didn't you take that long when it hit your level you marked? This level? So this level was for target if the markets wanna just go back and push lower. There is no setup for longs yet. I'm waiting for reaction on this fair value gap actually. I would love to be a buyer if we just inverted this and target the London high, put stop loss around like here, 1.5. Yeah, not the best RR, but this is what you get those days. When you see this signal, are you just buying the market buy? If also suits my strategy and my bias, yes, absolutely yes. You can just go back and watch the old live session how I react to the signals. But most of the time, yes, I do take the signals. Don't forget to like on YouTube, guys. This help. Yes, he's right. Thank you, Molom. Thank you, guys. We need likes, right? It's a free live session, free signals, live, no hindsight capital. Okay, I'm expecting a rejection from this bullish order block, but also there is other chance, which is we can make a new session low exactly at the 10 a.m. Then we can see a reversal. We do get this set up time to time. You're welcome. We traded into this bullish order block. Let's see the reaction. So this is the order block that we're talking about. Yeah, 71 or something. Okay. Hello, storyteller. What's up? Heading lower. What is ideal stop loss pips from entry on 1 minute A plus on MNQ or indicator that gives the level? Good question. So ideal stop loss is, let's say on this example, right? We got the A plus, and with this A plus, what we had is this bullish fair value gap. You can put your stop loss under this bullish fair value gap and call it my stop loss is the inversion of this fair value gap. But at this specific scenario, you don't mind if the price comes through here and close candle above the fair value gap. In this scenario, you are not gonna close the position. It is very important. That's one of the most ideal stop loss you can use. The closest fair value gap. I learned trading from you. I have some doubts. Go for it. Tell me. Okay, new session lows 958. Um, it's a new day opening gap also. A lot of gaps here. Ten a.m. might be the low of the session today. Seems like they are forming that setup, but you never know. What is the best time frame to trade? Um, there is no best time frame to trade, but I think there is a best time frame to execute. So you can start from the weekly chart and come until the 15-minute time frame to mark out the liquidity levels, the major ones. Okay, you find the imbalances, you find the new day opening gaps, new week opening gaps. Okay, and you can just drop on 1 minute and execute your trade. I don't know what you're using, but you can use the fair value gaps, the order blocks. You can use any model you want. But the best time frame to execute, I believe, is the 1 minute. But if ATR goes like crazy above like 40, you can start thinking about maybe 30 seconds, 15 seconds. But it's more like a next level thing. Okay, guys, we are going in 10 a.m. candles in 10 seconds. With no rush, we're just chilling. We're just chilling. Okay, 10 a.m. New session lows. Let's see if the plans work. Can you use AMD method of trading? Absolutely, you can use, but there are better strategies and methods than AMD, in my opinion. I don't use that. Rather than AMD, I am focusing on the macro times. I don't know if you're using the Borsa 321 toolkit, but we are defining macro times beautifully there. New session lows, very clear low. We do have a target which is 830. Okay, 10 a.m. is not the low of the session right now, seems like. Yeah, it's going for the target here, the 830. Nice reversal. I guess we missed it. The only chance we can took the trade around this area after this rejection candle, but the margins are kind of low. I become more picky if I am up like 100 points in a day, so the indicator shows A plus, but your chart is going down. Yeah, because this trade is already done. Rider 24,900. Yeah, I think so too. There is a midnight opening price. Oh, what's up, Rider? I remember you. So, storyteller, you need to focus on where you're taking partials and just close everything out, okay? Big absorption of sellers on that area. I might say this is a very beautiful rejection. Are you waiting another indicator? What? Oh, that's cool. That is cool. As long as you guys making money, I'm happy. Rejection from the new day opening gap. Midnight opening price looked good. 830 has been tested. You have R at UK, sir. I don't understand. Beautiful rejection. So high prop idea. 2.8 R trade. This is 10 plus 1, okay. We didn't make any low or high today. We're still trading inside of the Asia and London range. Okay. We do have SMT in terms of the markings here. Yes, took the midnight opening price. 5 minutes CB. Cheap trade. This is not a bad idea, but I don't know. It's a 4.7 hour, more or less. Incoming bullish order block. This is what I call a cheap trade idea. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but the only thing bothers me is the ES already took the midnight opening price. That's the reason I don't engage with this idea, but it's a nice one though. 15-point stop loss, and you get 100 points profit, which is cool. CP5 rejection. 10 past 6. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna regret I didn't took this one, but so if you guys executed, I will taking a partial at this point because there's a bullish order block which can reject the price and send it higher. So it's better to secure the profits. ATR is 32. Nice rejection from the bullish OB. I like it. Oh, jeez. I hate. I hate when you does that. Nice. Nice call. Nice call. I didn't took it, but yeah, it is what it is. 8:30, new expansion, new session lows. We do have SMT right now. That's a beautiful cheap trade. My goodness. Some ideas is like has 80%, 90% win rate. You just need to get the best execution possible. Wow. Candles on TradingView and Ninja Trader don't look the same. What do you mean? You mean like one is going up, one is going down, or what do you mean? Whoa. That's a 4.7 R trade. I hope some of you guys took it. That's a banger call. You don't get it for free on other YouTube channels. My lord. Midnight opening price is the absolute target. I could have taken this. Oh man. Sometimes I get mad on me. Stop loss is literally above this bearish volume imbalance on the chart. You just trail it, right? Just let it go. You don't want to give up on profits. It is happening. No SMT. No more SMT. Maybe price can trade into this, then pull back one more leg, but macro is over. It delivered beautifully on this macro. So 950 macro was, we can say, a continuation. Perhaps, yeah, we can say it's a continuation macro. Let's see if it finished the job, touched the midnight opening price. I like it. We don't chase the price. All we do is making money, baby. Okay, that's the rejection I want to see. Rejection from 830. As long as you don't have a closure above the 830, you can expect like a further leg down. 860 is the next target. Ryder says. Let's see, what do we have? We do have a daily low at the 860. So if we see a speed, Asia low is a high prop target. 830. Guys, Apex is running a great promotion right now. You can get a 50K account for 20 bucks. It's a crazy deal. I forget to mention. You have to stock it up. Borsa, the deals are for the new account type. So how it works, Ryder, is if you want to get the end of the day drawdown, it costs 29 bucks. If you want to get like the old version, the trailing drawdown, you pay 19 bucks. So this coupon code applies on all account types. Oh, thank you, Joshua. Yeah, 29 bucks is the end of the day version. That's correct. End of the day version. To be honest, if you're trading like me, you don't need the end of the day drawdown. Trailing is just fine. You don't need to pay like 50% more for that feature, in my opinion. Yeah, it's an amazing value. Yeah, I think it's the cheapest right now, like always. Activation fee, I guess still like 79 or something. No, there is an activation fee. I don't think that they don't have it. I think they have it. Otherwise, Apex like gonna bankrupt. But it's not expensive as far as I know. It's a 99. Okay. It's a lifetime, I guess. On their new end of the day version, there's no activation fee. No way. You kidding, right? Really? Oh my god. Yeah, I do also trade with my funded futures. But let me see. Are you sure that there's no activation fee? No payout denials, no may rule, built-in scale, blah blah blah. No evil consistency, one-time fees, multiple platforms, no payout denials. I don't see anything like they mention 50k. Okay. Uh, yeah, the 99 bucks for one-time activation. Yeah, 99 bucks. Man, if they done that will be like the world best deal though. Yeah, but still that's the best in my opinion. Yeah. Yeah, I'll speed. You're right. I just checked it. It says 99 bucks. That's true. Um, okay, the target is about to smash, guys. I don't know. I always say, but we did it again, boys and girls. Let me see. Okay, so um, it's a great deal on Apex right now, that's for sure. Yeah. So, guys, you guys know the code, right? I suppose you're using Borsa 321. It's a 90% off. I don't want to say something about it, but if you just want to get easy, not easy, but fast funded accounts, you can try tomorrow's CPI. But there's a 50-50 chance, right? You can lose it all or you can get your funded account. 8:30 keeps rejecting the price. We still didn't touch the midnight, don't we? Yes, we didn't. 3 minutes till the new macro. It's a beautiful day. I really enjoyed trading today. Like yesterday, like the last week. Can't stop making money. Oh, we do have SMT right now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. And sometime if I didn't took this trade, 100% I would have take this. But yeah, it's what it is. It's a nice call. $1,200 we up, which is nice. New macro in 1 minute. Let's see what is it about. So this trade is done, obviously. Wow. 40 seconds. This feels like a reversal. Wow, this gut candles is crazy. All right. We inside of the new macro. Borsa, why the Nasdaq cooked the ES? What do you mean? I didn't get it. What do you mean by cook? So we do have SMT. They do the same pattern. Ah, yeah, because that means it's gonna be a good price action day. But when you don't get this synced market, that time you get the chop as hell. So we do pray for this. Actually, they move at the same time. But look at this. NQ made the low. ES didn't make the low. And what does it mean? It means we do have SMT right now. It's a tricky area to take a long because you have this bearish order block, you have this equilibrium, you have the 930. $10.22. Hi, which pair, please? This is the Nasdaq futures. That's all we trade. Nice. This SMT is literally spiked the price. Like it. Okay. I think if we close a candle above 930, we're definitely going for this CB. It will be like a breakout trade. Yeah, it's just happening. Oh my God, we didn't get any red candle like in 10 minutes, nearly. Some pullback will be nice. Did we took out this high? Not yet. This is interesting. Rejection candle. It respected the 930, we can say. Yeah, I think my least favorite place to take a trade is the equilibrium point. Okay. You know what? I think we're done for the day, guys. Mm. We do have a live session tomorrow. It's confirmed. So mark your calendars. We do have also CPI tomorrow. I expect a good price action, but you never know. Yes, trading is a game of patience. So true, Kurt. One good trade per day is all you need. Yes, exactly. And that's what we did, right? So we only took one trade and it's 60 points, more or less, the trade. We happy. We don't rush for more. We called out this trade, but I didn't enter it because we already done, right? Why should I risk my profits? No need to be greedy. Um, like I said, the idea is still the same. Candle closure above 930. It can trade up till this CB. Then London high seems like a good idea. But I'm done for the day, guys. Um, love you all. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't blow accounts. Okay? Stop trading. If you already took trade, you don't need to push for more. No one is putting a gun in your head. There's always tomorrow to trade. Always keep that in mind. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now, ladies and gentlemen.